Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about a Bangalore job seeker part 2. I already made one video for that, how to search the job after completing your BTech. So first of all I want to tell you guys, after completing the BTech, right, so you having the challenge to search the job, and many people are asking the same question: should we move the Bangalore or not right now for searching the job? My answer is no, you should not move the Bangalore. Why? Because all the companies are hiring virtually. Then why do you want to move in the Bangalore, right? If you will go in the Bangalore, you have to spend minimum 10,000 per month, right? So you should not move, right? You can search the job from your home only, right? So virtually you can attend the interview. Again the question is how to apply, right? How to apply your job, how to search the job from your home only. Got it, right? So if you are pass out 2020 or 2019, you can write the e-litmus paper or AMCAT exam. So what is the e-litmus or AMCAT exam? You can search on the Google how to do the preparation for that. You can search on the Google and you can download the syllabus, and you will also get many previous year question. You can take the help of the YouTube channel also. If you are big in the any subject like English, mathematics or reasoning, so you can search from the Google, and you can in YouTube, and you can learn. Okay, so no problem at all. One more question I want to suggest to you guys. After completing the BTech, you guys are very hurry to get the job. You have spent 4 years in your college life for your degree. That is fine. Some people are aware or some people are not aware. After completing the BTech or degree, what you have to do. Got it, right? You have spent 4 years. You don't care about of that, right? Might be some people are caring, but they don't have a proper guidance what you have to learn to get the job in your IT sector. But some people are aware, some people are not aware. Leave it. That time has gone, right? We cannot do anything. So right now what you have to do, I have already told you, right? If you are pass out 2020 or 2090, how to search the job. First, resources to get the call is your e-litmus or AMCAT. You have to do good score. Second, resources, be having the many page on your Facebook like Bangalore job seeker, or many pages are there. You can search on the Facebook group, you will get it. So many people are posting over there the job, but many jobs are fake over there also, but you have to search the genuine one. Okay, so we should not go for blindly. Got it, right? One more thing, some of the people are also asking the money for your backdoor process, and I will tell you, in IT sector there is no backdoor process. Got it, right? So someone is trying to fool you, don't go blindly for them. Okay, second thing, you will get the call from your naukri.com. Got it, right? So you having the big challenge, because as a fresher we having the less openings in the market, because all the client is looking for experienced people. Got it, right? All the client is looking for experienced people. They are not going to provide you training. Got it? Before last 5 years ago, the trend was changed. Like they were providing the training and they will train you, but right now the client is not paying to the company to train you. They are looking for trained people. Got it, right? So if you spend 4 years, please spend minimum 6 months or 1 year for your skill development. Again, question is what you have to learn. Got it, right? If you don't know the proper skill set, after getting the job also you will cry in the company because you are not able to work. So spend 6 months, 1 year for your skill development. Again you will ask the question what you have to learn, right? Mostly people are new in this field and they don't know what we have to learn, right? I already discussed in my last video. You can go through the playlist. I already discussed, but again I want to discuss to you guys. First of all, don't do hurry to get the job. If you will get the job, your job is, you are not satisfied with your job, you will get the support job. Got it right? So if you will go in the software industry, so we having the multiple profile, right? So we have a development profile, we have a testing profile, we have a DevOps profile, we have a database profile, and we having the data science profile, we having the machine learning profile. These are the common profile. Many profile are there. Got it? These are the common profile. You have to trend in one profile. Either you can trend with your testing, you can make one proper profile. If you will not make one proper profile, very difficult to get the job. If you will get the job also, it's very difficult to work in the company. Either you can go for development, either you can go for testing, either you can go for DevOps, either you can go for data science, machine learning. You have to choose your one profile. Again, the question is what we have to choose, and many people are asking the question, which profile is best, in which profile we having the growth. If you will enter in the company and if you will work in the company, then you will realize what is the growth. Growth means whatever the profile you are working, every profile is same like in IT sector, because in any profile you have to learn the programming skill set, right? So how you are upgrading your skill set, that is the growth. Got it right? If you are working in the development and you are not upgrading your skill set, because in IT every month or every year we having the new technology, you have to learn. If you are not upgrading your skill set, then how you will get the growth? Got it right? So I ask the people, many people are asking the question, how to get the job, please help me, right? I already made the video on that, guys. So mostly the fresher people are, they are not caring. You have to care about the seniors. What the seniors, the people who already spent the time on Bangalore for searching the job, I am guiding to you guys, because you should not struggle like us. Got it right? So first of all, I want to suggest you, stay in your home, write e-litmus or AMCAT exam. Side by side you have to learn also the technical skill set. Again, one question is there, what the skill set you have to learn, right? I told you, first of all you have to select one profile: development, testing, DevOps, or data science, machine learning, or database profile. Select one profile. This selection is depend upon you. Okay, if you are belongs to coding background, I'm not going to tell you guys are not able to do. Anyone can do anything if you having the interest. You have to do hard work, you have a proper guidance. You can go in any profile, but what is your capacity? As per your capacity, select one profile and try to learn that. Okay, first of all you have to find the proper resource, and whatever the profile you are learning, you having the very good concept, not like your semester paper. Here you have to understand the things. If your concept is not clear, you are not able to crack the interview. Got it right? So try to understand the concept, like Java, like we having the development profile. I'm giving one example. So in development, some of the people are telling, when I was asking what is your skill set, I know Java, I know Python, I know C++, everything he knows, but is not able to get the job, because you don't have a proper skill set, right? So this is your language you have learned, and you learn in your college. That level will not work in real time industry. Got it right? So you have to learn with one profile. If you are learning, select one language. Either you can go for Java, you can go for Python. I'm going to tell you again, the many people are confused which language is good. Every language is good, yeah, you having the proper skill set. So if you want to learn, you can select one profile. I'm giving one example. Either if you want to go in the Java, then you can go for Java with for web development, be having the many framework with the Java. You can search on the Google. I will make one separate video on that, a skill set, what the skill set required for your skill development, because in this video already I spoke 10 minutes, so I don't want to increase my timing in this video. But I will give you one example. Like if you are learning Java, then you have to learn Java with web development or Java with Selenium. Selenium means also automation testing profile. For Java, for web development, be having the multiple framework in the market. Like you can learn a Spring Boot, microservices. So if you will go in the Java profile, you have to spend more time for development area, because we having the big syllabus and you have to learn properly. Got it right? You have to learn properly, otherwise again you having the half knowledge, again your concept is not good. Minimum you have to spend 1 year for your Java development, full stack development course. So you can also learn Python with web development. So we having the less syllabus in the Python with Django you can choose, and you have to learn UI like HTML, CSS. So within 4 to 5 months you can complete this course. Again I'm going to tell you guys where the resources where you have to learn. I already mentioned my contact number. Please don't call me, WhatsApp me. When I will get free, I will definitely reply back to you. Yeah, you can call me in weekend. I will be free in the weekend. I will call you back for regarding for a skill development where you have to learn. I will guide you guys. Okay, please reach out to me if you having the any doubt regarding this all the things, but don't do hurry. If you will go in the Bangalore right now, you are spending 10,000 per month minimum and there is no output. You will frustrate. Your parents is also worry about of that. So don't move anywhere. Please work on your skill set, and whatever I have told you, please follow all the things. Don't do hurry. If you are delay for getting the job, no problem. Okay, after 1 year you having the very good skill set. We have a many requirement in the market, but if you don't have a skill set, if you will get the job also, then you have to very difficult to survive in the company. Got it right? So I will make the another video on that. So I will request one more thing. Many people are struggling, right? For after BTech, they don't know what we have to do, right? So I having the precious time for making this all the video because of you guys. So please share and subscribe my channel. Share with your friend, the people who is searching the job and having the problem, they are not able to crack the interview, right? So please share and subscribe and like my channel, and share with your friend as well. And we will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. So you can I already made the many videos. I already mentioned all the link in the below video description. You can go and you can search on many tutorial I have already made on the Java, Selenium, because I am working also in the automation testing profile, and I am also providing the training the people who is looking for testing profile training, right? So I am teaching since more than 5 years, and in my session mostly people got job and they are working in the top level of the MNC company. The question is, I am working right now, I am working in MNC company. I'm right now, so I'm also parallelly I'm doing the teaching stuff, right? Because I was there in your position, so I having the ground level of experience what the company is looking for. If you want to make a profile for your testing, then you can reach out to me and I will give you 100% job guarantee for you guys if you are looking job in the testing profile for development. And I'm planning to start the development also, but it will take the time for me. But if you are looking for testing profile, you can reach out to me, or any doubt, any problem, please reach out to me and call me or WhatsApp me. I will definitely reply back to you. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video.